Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and I have great news for you. The laziest version of Greek TIROPITA, which is the Greek style feta cheese pie ever, is here. This recipe requires no phyllo, no dough, only 7 ingredients and ready in 30 minutes. After watching this video, you guys will be wondering why you didn't know this recipe before. We make this recipe for Christmas every year and it has never ever failed. It's so yummy and so handy. We totally swear by it. And guys, it's just perfect for family gatherings, for the holiday season, so make sure to give it a try. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more. And thank you so much, guys. And I see you the next time.